Hi all, welcome to Foodie Zest. Today let's see something spicy. We are gonna make prawns pickle. So let's get into the video. We need half kg prawns. I have deveined and cleaned them thoroughly. Then we need 3/4 cup of garlic sliced, 2-inch sized ginger cut into juliennes, 5 to 6 green chilies slit, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, some fresh curry leaves, 5 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1/3 cup white vinegar, 1/3 cup plain water which I have boiled and cooled. Then we need some salt, oil and 1/4 teaspoon of ASAFOETIDA or hing. Now let's start making the pickle. First let's marinate the prawns. Just add around 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon turmeric powder and some salt. Mix it well and marinate the prawns for at least half an hour. Meanwhile, heat a pan and add some oil for frying. Put the flame on medium, and once the oil is hot, let's add the prawns, that is the marinated prawns, for frying. It will take only about 6 to 7 minutes. Now the prawns are fried well, let's take them out. Into the same oil, let's add the fenugreek seeds. And then let's add the curry leaves. The garlic and ginger. Saute them for about 1 minute and then let's add the green chilies. Fry them until the ginger becomes slightly crispy. That's enough. Now let's add the spices, that is the turmeric powder and the remaining chili powder. Roast them until the raw smell goes off. And once it's done, let's add the vinegar. Give it a nice mix and then let's add the water. It's time to add in the salt. Mix it well, and once it starts boiling, let's add the hing. And then switch off the flame and let's add the fried prawns. And give it a nice mix until all the prawns are coated with the gravy. And let's allow it to cool. Spicy prawns pickle is ready, but this tastes best if served after 2 or 3 days of making it. Store it in a clean glass jar. It should be dry and you can refrigerate it for about a month or at least for 2 to 3 weeks for sure. Please try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. Keep watching my videos and keep supporting me. Like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching Foodie Zest. Let's meet again with a new recipe video. Till then, it's bye from Foodie Zest.